Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with GoHighLevel. This integration allows you to sync your e-commerce data directly into your CRM, making it easier to track customer purchases, automate follow-ups, and manage your sales funnel all in one place. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to GoHighLevel.com. Once you're there, sign in using your GoHighLevel credentials. Make sure you have your login details ready, as accessing the platform is the first step to setting up this powerful integration. After signing in, you'll need to access the specific account where you want Shopify integrated. In the left navigation panel, you'll see options for your agency or individual sub-accounts. Click on the appropriate account to ensure the integration is configured in the correct location. This step is important because it determines where your Shopify data will flow. Now, let's navigate to the integration area. On the left side menu, look for Settings and click on it. This opens up your account configuration options. Once you're in the Settings tab, scroll down until you find the option labeled Integrations. Click on it to access the full list of available connections that GoHighLevel supports. Within the Integrations menu, you'll see several apps that are readily available to connect with GHL. Browse through the list until you locate Shopify, then click the Connect button next to it. This initiates the connection process between your Shopify store and GoHighLevel. A new window will now appear, prompting you to enter specific credentials. Here, you'll need to provide your admin API access token and your Shopify store name domain. These details are essential for establishing a secure connection between the two platforms. You can find your admin API access token in your Shopify settings under Apps and Sales Channels, then Develop Apps. Once you've entered both pieces of information, you'll see the option to import elements. This feature allows you to bring in products, orders, or customer data from Shopify directly into GoHighLevel. After selecting what you want to import, click Sync Settings to finalize the integration. And that's it. Your Shopify store is now connected to GoHighLevel, allowing you to streamline your sales process and automate customer communications based on purchase behavior. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.